Well, I finally made a move on a new set of tires. I was back and forth between a bunch of options for quite a while. I was really aiming to do maybe a new set of 17-inch wheels, get a little bit bigger tire, but in the end it came down to money and kind of procrastination and time too. Just needed a new set a little quicker, but ended up getting the exact same size in a different tire though. I had the Goodyear Duratracks. I always like BF-Goodrich though, so I want to switch back to them. These are 285/75s. Right at 33 inches. And it might just be me, but looking at them, it seemed like they actually might be slightly skinnier than the Goodyears are. Which I know is possible, kind of like clothes, even though it says it's the same thing, they might be a little bit different. I did end up going with the 5-tire rotation, got a complete matching fifth wheel right there that I'll rotate out instead of just doing 4 tires rotation. I'll just do them all in the cycle, keep them all the same wear. I was going to put it up underneath where the spare is supposed to go, but when I went to drop it, I realized that my hitch pin, or my RV connection, is right where you would line up the little rod to lower the tire down, to crank in that little tube right there. So, never paid attention to that. Glad I never had a flat with that. But yeah, this truck's sitting on basically a 2-inch leveling kit. A little over 2 inches in the front and not quite 2 inches in the back. And it sits very level. I like the way it looks. Get a few angles for y'all. In case like me, going crazy trying to figure out how you want it to look. Can't hurt to have one more source. Well, that's all there is to say about the tires. About to take off on a road trip. See how good they do. Alright, talk to y'all guys later.